Is anyone else someone who could it be now? Someone to use that on to the rescue. Opening to the ritual one. Up to Whitey Bolt here to save the day. Someone use that to save the day now. It's opening the Whitey Bolt show. Only good dreams. Let's see on TV. Oh man, this is looking great. Oh, I gotta be pure on it. Oh, Sheriff, I know you could do it, I guess, about that. Come on, let's watch some TV. 3 minutes later, this TV's boring. I gotta get to sleep. Alright, nighty-night, Sheriff. Don't call me like that or else you'll be arrested. Jeez, what a dream car over there. How my lucky day over there. Hi, buddy. No! Not you! What are you doing here? You're time traveling from the Happy City. What did you just say to me? The women in time travel on the Happy City. Okay. What happened to your tape? The tape is going far out pretty soon. Anyways, you may follow me if you want. Also, I gotta change my wheels. There we go, much better. Okay, let's go for it. There's all the time travel ones right over there. Oh man, where's Lightning Bolt? I want to now. Lightning Bolt's right there. Hi. This is not the toy, not the Lightning Bolt. I need a brand new one immediately. Sorry, we don't have any lightning bolts. We need to get this one in a minute. Okay. There's Lightning Bolt. I got your hot foot. Sheriff, your bag is still alive. I know, sweetie. I'm sorry when I'm done with this time with have a bad dream about this, my dreams. That's alright. Remember, please, always keep your home time if you want to stay home with me. Okay? Just Lightning Bolt, sweetie. I'll bring some about that immediately. Okay, I gotta have to get going. I'll see you soon. For me? With someone used for someone made that. Always times, always to someone on the day. Hey! To interrupt this theme song. Let's speed up, boys. Yes, sirree. Ouch! Oh, Lightning Bolt. Are you sure want to defeat them? Oh, whoa! Yeah! I'm still alive! Yes! I'm free, baby! I'm free! Oh! Hello, then. I'm free! No! No! I do spiky thoughts! No! Sorry about this. That's okay. Ow. Yeah. What You guys got to be kidding me. You tried to beat up my friends. How could you? I'm afraid both of you need to go to ask you to leave. Before I will. Ouch! Alright. Both of you make me no choice. Lightning bolt! Now you need to defeat me. Get him, boys. Take that, you piece of sucker! What the? Oh no! Oh! What the? Get up that away from me before I come and get you arrested! Oh no! 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 Ka-chow! Whoa! Get that away from me! I'm coming to get these criminals. Oh! Oh! No! 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 Please! Don't give me a refund! No! No! Don't get me out there! Oh, yeah. Whoa. Oh my gosh! This is totally not me to work! Oh, just give me a nightmare! Oh, I think Mikey Bolt's right. Just give me a nightmare about this time, I guess. I gotta tell him right away. Hey Whitey Bolt. Hey Ruby. Oh! Hey, buddy, what's up? Just I gotta tell you about that. There's a talk about that when I'm done this time. It's okay, buddy. No problem with the plan. Whitey Bolt, you're the dream too? Yeah. I said about that. Can we go out and play? Yes. Let me get the TV. So, I remember this time had to say this, now I want this time had to say this. So, what are we gonna do? Ooh, I'm hungry on my watcher's making. Oh no! It's Miss Crunch's brigade! Come on! Let's get out of here! Whoa! Hey guys, wait! You cannot leave me! Oh, it's like a paint splat. Time to take it home with me. Hey guys, what is up? This is your new pal, Whitey Boat Pony speaking. Anyways, I know you guys had to say this. So anyways, make sure we get this hot over now and get this place moving. So remember, make sure to respect your opinion. And also, I will catch you guys for you until everybody get back. So, I'll catch you guys soon. This will be Whitey Boat Pony. Catch you guys on next week. Peace out. See you tomorrow.